replace a shape, rectangle with a circle in Figma. First, copy the circle using Ctrl+C, Windows, or Command+C Mac. Then, select the rectangle and press Ctrl+Shift+R, Windows, or Command+Shift+R, Mac, to replace it. You can now add any kind of image into the new circles. To add multiple images at once in Figma, use Ctrl+Shift+K, Windows, or Command+Shift+K, Mac. Got overlapping shapes in Figma? Don't group, union them. Use Alt+Shift+U, Windows, or Option+Shift+U, Mac, to merge shapes into one unified object. Or just go to the Boolean Operations dropdown and select Union manually. Perfect for combining icons, UI elements, or custom shapes. Clean, smooth, and editable. To duplicate a frame in Figma, use Ctrl+D, Windows, or Command+D, Mac, or simply hold Option, Mac, or Alt, Windows, and drag.
Arrange layers in Figma like a pro. Bring forward, Control+ right bracket, Windows, Command+ right bracket, Mac. Send backward, Control+ left bracket, Windows, Command+ left bracket, Mac. Bring to front, just press right bracket. Send to back, just press left bracket. Here's a Figma shortcut that'll save you tons of time. On Windows, press Ctrl+Alt+C, and on Mac, Option+Command+C to copy an object's style. Want to paste that style? Just hit Ctrl+Alt+V on Windows, or Option+Command+V on Mac. Boom. Instant design consistency. Select a frame. Press Enter to go inside. Press Enter again to dive deeper. Now you can start typing. Want to go back to parent layer, just hit Shift+Enter. It's quite useful. If you have hundreds of layers open in Figma, don't collapse them one by one. Don't scroll forever. Use Alt+L, Windows, or Option+L, Mac, to instantly collapse all nested layers. It hides all nested layers and shows only the top-level ones.
To copy and replace in Figma, first, copy using Ctrl+C, Windows, or Command+C Mac. Then, paste or replace using Ctrl+Alt+Shift+V, Windows, or Command+Option+Shift+V, Mac.
Now first select the text pattern outside the frame. Paste into the frame. In the Layers panel, you'll see the newly pasted text pattern now sitting on top of everything. Send to back, just press left bracket. Bring to front, just press right bracket. We send the text pattern to the back and adjust its opacity to blend nicely into your design.